Good morning and sliding into afternoon. Judy Allen here, also known as Nana, who Teach Me Nana, here today on Friday. And we are taking the paper pumpkin kit from April and we're going to make an alternative. Meanwhile, Mother's Day is fast approaching, so it's going to be a Mother's Day card. And I'll show you some we'd already done and what's coming up. All right, so let's go down the hands and get started here. Right, it's all about creating. So if you missed us on Sunday with Zoe Nana Live, these are these three cards, the ones that we created straight from the kit. And with Mother's Day approaching, I just wanted to remind you, if you hadn't finished it and you have the kit, these are two cards we made over the past few weeks. It's posted on Instagram and Pinterest that we made Happy Mother's Day. Both of these are going to be Mother's Day cards, right? So setting those aside, keeping you on your A game. The other thing is, if you do not want to miss out, the new paper pumpkin kit will be coming out May 10th. I shouldn't say it. The deadline's May 10th, right? And from there they bill and send out. But here are the add-ons that you can get to it. I'm going to show you how pretty that is, right? So this is going to coordinate with the kit. So you want to be sure if you really like outdoor scenery, this is it. This you can add on. This is an add-on for $10, but you have to be subscribed to the kit and get the kit to be able to get the add-on for $10. Just wanted to show you that before we got started because it's just very, very beautiful. All right, so we are going to take this envelope today and we are going to make it into a card, right? So the first thing I always do, if you've watched me before, let's see if you can see everything. Okay, I want to make sure you can see this here. And please be sure to say hello, right? Because next Friday, we will be giving away door prizes to anyone that's made comments, shared. So if you share, you got to be sure to put shared in the comments. And whether it's here or on YouTube, right? Either or both. We really like both. And we're just going to skim this off here. Anyway, and then we'll draw door prizes from there. So we did door prizes on Sunday. And I don't remember the names offhand. I didn't write them down, but I can repost them later. It says all you got to do. I know one person's already gotten theirs because I saw them personally. So if you are a winner, all I need is your mailing address. Unless you're local. I still need your address or we need to get connected, right? But otherwise, usually they're mailed out. All right, so here's the piece right here. And this is what's left over. So I'm going to put this aside right now, okay? But I have to cut this down to 4 inches because I'm going to put this with white cardstock on back. So yes, we love to give out door prizes. We actually gave away a kit the other day. So it varies from kits to bling to embellishments to even some handmade cards already made ready for you to just mail out, right? Either or. So I'm saving these, right? Save the scraps. I always tell you save the scraps. There's a real reason. All right, so I'm going to set this aside. And here's the cardstock that's already in here. Now, if you're one of my customers, I do send you coordinating cardstock. But I'm just doing this here, and I'm going to use actually my bone folder to get this a little bit flatter for us. That's all it does. It helps get that crease down so it doesn't want to pop up. And then we're just going to put this on here. And then from there, we're going to sit there and add some more items from the kit. Oop. That's the only thing about white on white, right? I did not see that. But that's okay. When off of the side, all you gotta do is just roll it over. I really need to get something else under here so I can see. Let me get this piece right here. Because white on white, like I just did. There we go. At least I can see it better. I got something contrasted so I can see it. It's nothing like a bunch of white here, right? White, white, and white. Okay, so yeah, we're just putting this here. So right with Mother's Day round around the corner, I am working on Mother's Day cards. Then it'll be Father's Day, right? Okay. I almost put it on even the wrong way. So it doesn't matter. I'm just going to put this on here because I'm going to put something over it. And then we're going to take this here that was in the kit. I've already punched it out and it was already die cut. You see all that foil? And I see, I already know who this is going to, right? I tell you most of the time, I know who things are going to. And I do. Because I have several special people in my life that their favorite color is blue. So one of those people are going to get this card because it is going to be mostly with their favorite color. So all I'm going to do here is we're just going to put this on Sorry about that. I had a Band-Aid. I actually pulled a fingernail into the quick, and that always hurts. So it's just easier to put a Band-Aid on it so I didn't keep on getting tugged on, right? And I can still keep creating. Whoop, whoop. That's what it's all about, being able to create. Yep, I say hello, Jennifer. I miss seeing you on an everyday or every other day basis. All right. So you see how that nice, that was really going to pick up the blue there. So now all we're going to do is we're going to stamp a sentiment. Now the sentiment I am stamping is from last month's kit, and it says, "To a wonderful mother." So everybody I know that I would send a card to is a wonderful mother. So any one of them could get this, right? Any one of them. So I'm just going to stick this over here to the left. And I'll show you why in a minute. So I'm going to put this on here. And this is Balmy Blue. You know, I don't keep all my ink spots. I usually give them away as door prizes. So then I have to go use my regular stamp pads, which is okay. And then I'm going to use this right here, and I'm going to stamp. This flower is in the kit, this month's kit. And I'm just using a previous color from our kits. And I'm going to stamp a flower here. And I'm also going to stamp off a little bit here, because I can, right? And then if I want to, I can also stamp up one more time right here. So I won't have a total amount for all the full flowers, right? But I can surely put some flowers around this right here. So when I lift it up, it's going to look like this, but I can still put bling on it, right? So I'm going to go over and put this right up here, and I'm going to wrap it with the string that came with the kit, and we're just going to use some glue dots to hold it down. It doesn't stick to my Band-Aid. So if it does, I'll have to get a new Band-Aid. Alright. So yep, I'm just going to stick this to it. Actually, I did have glue. Hold on. That's fine. I'm just going to stick it with my thumb then. It should come off. There we go. Alright. I'll put it there. Just to give a little accent, right? All I'm going to do is just come over here to the left with my thumb bandaged up there. And I'm going to have to move it over just a little bit more. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to move it over just a little bit more. Okay. Even if that doesn't work, I'll just tie a bow, right? And I might still do that anyway. So I'm just sending this to a wonderful mother, somebody very special. There's a lot of special people in our lives, right? Because we think about, you know, well, some people go, well, I don't have a mother. My mother passed away. Well, that's okay. You have friends. You have family members that are moms, right? You may have grandchildren that are moms. It doesn't matter. It's all about creating, sharing, and giving. So there's no reason why you can't create and share. I love these kits because they're so easy. And I'm just going to put it right here. Alright, and then it comes with bling. I love the bling. I'm just going to use this right here. And we're going to put some bling right there in the center of those flowers, because that's what I like to do. And I could use Weka Stella too. Last month we did not have bling, but this month we do. So use your bling. If you didn't get the kit, there might be, I don't know if there's any for sale or not, but you have to subscribe, right? You either have to be, I think you have to subscribe. You'll still have an account if you sit up there and do a pre-order or do a prepay. I don't know. I think you'll still let you get it then. But you have to have a credit card there, right? So even though you have that. So there we go. With just a very simple, quick and easy, beautiful card for Mother's Day. So there's no reason why you cannot create a Mother's Day card, right? Weka Stella is not in here, but I always have Weka Stella. Just makes it, gets a little glistening to it. You know what? If you wanted to color these gems here, you can. You can color them with a blending tool, and that's the beauty of them too. So there we go. Whoop, whoop. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Hello, Pat. I ripped my thumbnail in the corner there. That's what I did. I'm telling you, It's just my thumb. My fingernail sort of pulled there on the corner and went into the quick, and that really hurts. So there you go. So that's it. So here's the one we created today after I get the little white thing off. Here's what we created today. Here is what we created on Sunday. Now I'll just put it over my stuff there. So you can see today's and Sunday's. And for those of you that might be a little behind on your Mother's Day, here's what we did previously with the previous kit. And there you go. Yeah, I'm going to work at it, Pat. But you're going to like this, Pat. Look, this is the add-on to this next month's kit. It's for $10 that you can get the add-on. You get, I want to say it's like 9 cards or 12 of these. And it's for $10 and it's an add-on. I can't see on the package, but they're just very, very pretty. And they have the matching envelopes too, right? How cool is that? How cool. So I hope you enjoy that. See if I can get back up to my face here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, right? It's about making some quick and easy cards, and Paper Pumpkin allows you to do that, and making the alternatives. So it's all about, also today, it's all about creating that Mother's Day card, right? So be sure to create, share, and give. So give somebody a Mother's Day card. Go create one. And other than that, be blessed. I look forward to seeing you next week with Teach Me Nana. And don't forget to comment, share, whether it's here on YouTube, and we'll put you in the drawing for next week's freebie prizes that will be given away. All right. Be blessed and have a great day. Bye.